also JCS.
And if you look at my emblem there, see it? This is an optical illusion. And this, if you've ever been on addictinggames.com, this is kind of a remake of the stupid quiz. I mean, personality quiz, something like that.
Speak louder.
Instead of two lesbians about to kiss, is it two gay men about to kiss, or a chalice? If you look in between the two men, start at the left man's hair, follow it down, go across the middle, and go up the guy's foot and follow the shape.
I can't even see it on the computer. All right, but anyway.
What you have to do, all you have to do is you put two guys walking next to each other, not completely touching each other, with the space between them.
All right.
Bye, YouTube.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys. All right.
Or dog.
Thank you, and have a good day.
Good day.